Hey dolls, so jumping right in, I'm taking the Too Faced Gingerbread Extra Spicy palette and taking the shade In a Pinch, and I'm going to throw that right into my crease like so. This palette is bomb, guys. It smells so good and the color payoff is ridiculous. So I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out and up. And I am wearing contacts from Iris Beauty. I'm going to link all that stuff below. So taking the vanilla wafer color, I'm going to put that on my brow bone and blend it down. The color kind of shifted on me as it usually does with my camera. I'm going to take this color for the gram and I'm going to pack that all over my lid. I love the names that they chose. I thought that was so cute, for the gram. But you know, they spelled it like a graham cracker cookie. It's so cute. So I'm going to take that color In a Pinch again and just throw that back into my crease some more and blend it up just to deepen it up now that I have that for the gram on the lid. And I'm just going to keep on blending until I like how it looks. Taking Cookie Call, which is a chocolate sort of brown color, I'm going to pack that in my outer corner and then I'm going to use a different brush to blend it out. Now I'm just taking some more of that Cookie Call and I'm going to pack it in the outer V to darken it even more and then blend it out once again. Alright, taking Extra Spicy, I'm going to go ahead and pack that onto my lower lash line like so. If you are new here, I usually do my primer and my brows before I start filming, so those products are listed down below. If you are not new here, then you already know the game. So I'm just taking some more of that Cookie Call and I'm going to start to spread it along my bottom lash line, going about halfway in. Now I'm all done. All the eyes are finished. I'm going to go ahead and put some nude pencil in my waterline. This is the Rimmel Scandal Eyes Nude Pencil. I'm just going to darken up my beauty mark that I have underneath my brow. Like I said before, that is a tattooed mark. I just darken it up. Taking these extension seekers in the Beat Curl from Salon Perfect, I'm going to put those lashes on with my Total Temptations mascara. I'm going to list that stuff down below, and I'm going to go ahead and prime my face with my Milk Hydro Primer. This is my first time trying this primer. I really like it. It feels like really tacky when you put it on when it's drying, which is excellent because it really grabs the makeup for it not to go anywhere. And I'm going to use my MAC Face and Body foundation. This is kind of like, for me, a tinted moisturizer because not really full coverage, more of a medium coverage, but you could definitely build it up. I believe this color is C3. And then I'm going to take my Tarte concealer and put that underneath my eye. I believe this shade is Light. I am going to list everything down below once again, and I'm going to highlight all the areas that I usually do. I did do a little bit of extra highlighting this area, I should say concealing, because I really had a bad breakout around my lip area, so I was trying to conceal all of that. And I'm going to set it with my Anastasia loose setting powder in the color Vanilla. And I'm just going to use this brush just to lightly dust it on, not really baking too much except for my nose area. To set the rest of my face, I'm just going to use my Rimmel Stay Matte Powder. They say something's not broke, why try to fix it? So I do not leave this powder. This powder has not failed me, so I set the rest of my face with that. And then I'm going to use the e.l.f. bronzer palette in the shade Bronze Beauty and take this color right here to contour and bronze my face. For my blush, I'm going to take my NYX Illuminator in the color Chaotic, and I'm just going to put that on my apples of my cheeks and blend it upwards. For my highlight, I'm going to use this Becca highlighter in the color Opal, and I'm just going to put that on all the normal places that I usually highlight. So that would be the tops of my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, my inner corners, under my brow, like right on the brow bone, my chin, and my forehead. That's a lot, but you get used to it. To make sure it's not going to go anywhere, I'm going to use this Lasting Fix Maybelline setting spray. Just go ahead and spray the hell out of my face and then let it dry and move on to my lips. So for my lips, I'm going to use my NYX suede pencil in the color Los Angeles, and I'm going to line my lips first, and then I'm going to fill them in with my NYX liquid lipstick. This is in the color Bustier, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put that on, and the look is complete. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. I know I did. I really like how the look came out, and I am in love with the gingerbread extra spicy palette from Too Faced. And again, my contacts are from Iris Beauty. I will link the color they are down below, along with my code. You get 15% off if you guys want to try them. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching. Bye, babies.